Alright, hello YouTube. Just a quick little tip, particularly for those who follow this channel and self-service their MAZDA vehicles. When you change your oil, absolutely do not skimp on replacing this sump plug washer. It's a one single use only part, and the dealership, or should I say stealership, will try to charge you for up to between 4 or 5, maybe even 6 Australian dollars for this tiny, I can't even get this off, for this tiny little washer. Absolutely do not skimp on replacing this part when you do your oil changes, because we don't want any leaks. Anyway, to save you from getting ripped off from the dealership, I found an alternative. Absolute champions these are. You can see the specifics. M14, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. You can get 10 of these for $5. Very handy if you, particularly for someone like me who has multiple Mazdas. And when we change the oil, make sure we can have new gaskets for the sump. So save yourself some dollars. Don't go to the dealership. See ya.